What's up, YouTube? Jeff, your Style O.G. And on today's video, I have my review of the Pronto running shoe from Great Sneakers. If you're new to the channel, we release a new video every day at 4 p.m. Eastern, discussing various men's lifestyle topics such as style, grooming, and dating. I invite you to subscribe and tap the notification bell and join us. And to my returning friends like Tori and King, salute. So first, let me start the video off by saying this review is not sponsored by Great. However, I did ask them to send me over a pair of these Prontos because honestly, I had a hole in my wardrobe. Got a lot of nice luxury style sneakers, but none in a running style. Been having these bad boys on my radar for a minute, so thanks to Greats for sending them over. And naturally, I'm gonna have a link in the description if you wanna pick up a pair of these sneakers for yourself. Now, for those of you that are not familiar with the Great Sneakers brand, they were born in Brooklyn around 2013, designed in Brooklyn, but all their shoes are handmade and handcrafted in Italy. They're a direct-to-consumer company with cuts down on the overhead, and to me makes them probably one of the best values of a luxury higher-end sneaker, but with a great price to match. All of their models come in at $200 and below. To me, probably making them the best brand in the luxury space that doesn't go above the $200 price level. Now, generally speaking, I've been more familiar with their low profile minimal sneakers. I have several pair of those. But in today's video, like I said, we're gonna look at a more running style sneaker, one with high quality, high craftsmanship, and great detail. I'm gonna go over all the details and the craftsmanship in this sneaker, and I'm gonna put them on, show you how they look on foot, and let you know how comfortable they are. So without further ado, let's get into this review of the Greats Pronto in Nero/Black. Now, this Nero model comes in at retail $179. So let's talk about what you get for your $179. First off, if you can tell right away, great quality material. Starting off first with these hits of a nice luxurious black suede and full grain Italian leather. Really love those two details. And on top of that, you get some mesh in here for some breathability. The suede continues all the way around to the heel, and you get a little bit of branding on the back right here, a subtle branding of the Greats branding, and you have that same branding right here at the top of the tongue. Like I said, with this shoe, it's all about the details. You don't have your standard laces. What you have here is what you usually have in a higher quality shoe. You have some wax laces, and the thing I like about wax laces, they age and develop a little bit of patina over the time. A nice little special detail with these. And if you take a look, you also have a couple of hits of 3M, one here near the toe. Also, as we swing it around, you see this nice quality leather heel stabilizer on the back. I like that hit. And I really love this cream eggshell kind of midsole. I love the contrast of brownish colors mixed in with black. I love that combination. And one of the details that definitely lets you know this is a higher quality shoe, you have a full leather lining inside from heel all the way to toe. You're not gonna see that in lower quality shoes. So that's definitely something to me that makes this shoe stand apart. The final detail that definitely shouldn't be overlooked is the sole. Now we're talking about super duper traction. They have a Vibram sole. Usually see Vibram soles on your higher quality boots, your work boots and stuff like that. You're gonna have no slipping with this. This is a detail you rarely see on a lot of sneakers. I really appreciate this Vibram sole. High quality materials, well made, not a stitch out of place. Love the full grain Italian leather, the great quality suede. Just a well made, well constructed shoe. Now, as far as the profile and the design of the shoe, I think it's very sleek, very aerodynamic. What I like about this shoe, it kind of fits that middle ground between your low profile shoes and that trend that I really don't care too much for, your dad's sneaker that can be a little bulkier. I think this one falls right in the middle, walks that line very well. Love the design, sleekness, aerodynamic, can't go wrong. So now that we talked about the look, the construction, and design of the shoe, let's throw the shoe on, let you see what it looks like on foot, and I'll let you know how comfortable it feels right out of the box. Now, as you can see here, throwing it on real quick with a pair of joggers, and the first thing I noticed, because the midsole is nice and substantial, it actually makes me feel like I'm standing up a little taller. Maybe because a lot of times I wear low profile sneakers, you know, your more minimal design, your common project type sneakers. These make me feel like I'm standing a little taller. I don't know, maybe it's just because it's a running shoe, we'll see, but that's pretty noticeable. And I got an 11.5. I usually wear 11.5 in sneakers. These fit perfectly true to size. So if you grab yourself a pair, don't be afraid to go true to size. These fit perfectly. Now, as far as the comfort level, they're pretty darn comfortable out of the box. Only one minor caveat, that thick midsole. It doesn't have a lot of give in it, maybe as I wear it over time, but I noticed the midsole does feel pretty stiff. There's not a lot of bounce in it, although the Vibram sole itself has some bounce in it. Not a lot of give in the midsole. We'll see how that goes as I wear it throughout these next months. As far as the overall fit, comfort level, true to size, pretty comfortable. On a scale of 1 to 10, on a scale of comfort, I would give it about a 9. Would be higher if there was a little give in the midsole, but I'll give it a solid 9 as far as comfort. So what are my overall impressions of the Greats Pronto sneaker, these in black? I think it's a fantastic shoe. High quality materials, full grain Italian leather, great design, little subtle details, the Vibram sole. I think they knocked it out of the park with this one. And like I said, with the brown and the black, I can see myself rocking this with almost any color in my wardrobe. So I feel like it's gonna be a very versatile sneaker. Design and materials, I'll give it 10. Comfort, a 9. So my overall rating on 1 to 10 on the salute scale, I give these great Prontos 9 3/4 salutes. Okay, so there you have it. My quick review of the Pronto running shoe from Greats Sneakers. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this shoe and Greats as a brand overall. As always, I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, hit that like button. Helps the channel to grow. And of course, tap that notification bell so you don't miss any of the videos released every day at 4 p.m. Eastern. And I'll check you out tomorrow.